Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to embed Canva in PowerPoint. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to canva.com and create a new presentation. You can do this by clicking Create a Design and selecting Presentation, or simply choosing the presentation option on the home page. Next, select a template you like. Once you've chosen one, click on Apply All Pages. This will load the entire design into your Canva presentation. Now, to embed it into PowerPoint, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then select Download. Under the File Type option, choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Click Download and Canva will begin converting your presentation into a PowerPoint file. After it's done, locate the file on your device by clicking the folder icon. Right-click the downloaded file, select Open With, and choose PowerPoint. The presentation will open in PowerPoint where you can make any additional edits or adjustments. This method keeps your design intact while giving you full PowerPoint functionality. It's useful for anyone who prefers Canva's templates, but needs to present in PowerPoint format. So that's basically how you can embed Canva in PowerPoint. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.